Hey guys, so here I am with the third of the quick connects. Start on low. What's it called? Just got done. This is the last fan I had to film here at my grandparents' place for the remakes, with me talking this time. So, and with better camera quality, I hope. So, yeah. Not much to say about this one. Unlike the first quick connect, not much has changed. It's still got this cool crystal light on it. So, that's good stuff. And I was thinking about this. I mentioned it. If you haven't seen the first quick connect video, I recommend you go see that. I recommend you see everything. But what's it called? I mentioned how I thought that one was the loudest of the three. This one's pretty quiet. Quieter than the other one, or than the first one for sure. What's it called? Why can't I talk today? Yeah, this one is not super loud. I think it's louder than the second, but quieter than the first. So this one's like in the middle. This one's moving a hell of a lot of air. I'm just gonna turn it off with the switch because I don't wanna put my hand that close to spinning fan blades. Especially when they're going that fast. I mean, it's less than ideal that the chain's that short anyway, but when they're going that fast, I don't want to take any chances. This globe, I love it, but it's big. It's very big. So sometimes it's hard to work with. I hope that this is coming out good. I think it is, because I have to zoom out on the camera to fit it all. Here's what it is, normal zoom. Here's what it is, zoomed all the way out. So, yeah, this is what I have to do to fit most of it. And it's still not perfect, but you definitely get a much better view of the whole thing than you would without it. So that's what matters most. This one especially because of the light. And then there's I think this is the smallest of the rooms. So, this is probably like a 10 by 10 foot room. If even. Nah, it's got to be at least 10 by 10, but it's pretty darn close. Yeah. So, there is that. Why am I forgetting what I was about to say? I mean, there really isn't much else for me to say about this fan. I mean, it's just a basic Hampton Bay, but yeah, it's a heck of an air mover. All right, so this guy is done. Where's the reverse switch? You guys can see it. I can't from right here. I can feel it though. There we go. All right, let's turn this guy back on. Don't worry, it's not broken. Remember, I just turned it off from the switch. Yeah, something had a much quieter startup than the first one, so. Oh, that's very good. I believe this one was on medium reverse when I walked in. So I gotta remember to put it back on medium before I leave. Let's go to medium now, actually, speaking of that. I thought I felt airflow over there, kind of like the blade sucking the air up to push it about the room. And I wonder, like, since the blades are like so close to that vent, if how much air it's pushing up and back into the vent. That'd be interesting to know. Let's go to high. And again, I'm going to turn it off at the switch. I don't want to stick my hand that close to the fan blades, spinning that fast. That's just asking for trouble. And I don't want to ask for trouble. I don't think anyone likes asking for trouble. Or if they do, that's weird. All right, let's turn this guy off. There we are. Time for the spin down. Let's shake things up. Literally. That really didn't do much. I thought I was gonna mess more with like the lighting in the background. Maybe we gotta like... There we go, we gotta shake the outside ones. See like the shadows on the ceiling and the wall? Yeah, it sounds like a bell. Man, I'm stupid. So all of these quick connects are flush mounted, and they all seem to have, I'm not sure if this is part of the canopy, but like this ring up there, you kind of see it by the canopy. And the other two quick connects are very yellowed out with their ring. It's easier to see in the natural sunlight, but I'm filming this at nighttime, so it's not that easy to see with the fan light. But this one is not yellowed out at all. I mean, that makes sense because the other two fans are facing windows that get direct sunlight. This one does not. So that makes total sense. From what it sounds like, I hear the furnace is humming right now. I don't think you guys can hear that, but I think we ended this just in time. So we're not blowing, what's it called? Air back up into the furnace while it's running. If that's even what happens, which I don't know. All right, we're gonna stop here in just a sec. All right, we're good. I'm gonna put this guy back to its original speed here, which is just medium. Yep, that's right. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay cool, everybody.